3 important RAG architectures you must know as an AI engineer. Now, when you send a question to a model, it only knows what it was trained on. It doesn't really know about your internal docs, your engineering wiki, or the last week's incidents. RAG, also known as Retrieval Augmented Generation, fixes that. It gives the model a knowledge base before it answers. Let me walk you through 3 important architectures and how a large-scale app like Uber uses it. Number 1, traditional RAG. In this pipeline, you break your documents into smaller pieces, convert them into a numerical format called embeddings, and store them in vector databases. Once that's done, you retrieve the most relevant ones using meanings and not keywords. Uber used exactly this pattern for Genie, an internal Slack bot for on-call engineers. This Slack bot pulled information from their engineering wikis, internal PDFs, and Google Docs. Simple, fast, and work for most queries. But finding something similar is not same as finding something relevant, especially when your knowledge base is thousands of internal docs, PDFs, and runbooks. The answer is often buried in a very specific place, and the retriever can miss it completely. Uber found it failed with 50% of their cases. So their architecture evolved into agentic RAG. Here, instead of just one retrieval step, a planner agent decides how to answer. First, it reads the query and figures out what the question actually is. Then, it picks the right tools: vector search, SQL, web search, whatever fits. Finally, it loops, checks its own confidence, and self-corrects before producing an answer. This architecture is specifically used in complex, multi-step questions where one retrieval pass isn't enough. Uber called their version as Enhanced Agentic RAG. This is what closed their accuracy gap for complex engineering queries. Now, even with good retrieval, docs can still be wrong or outdated. Corrective RAG adds a grading layer. First, the model retrieves the documents as usual. Second, an evaluator judges the result: correct, ambiguous, or off. Third, if the results are off, it triggers a retry with better context before the answer reaches the engineer. Uber implemented this as an LLM as judge layer on top of the agentic RAG system, automatically evaluating every response before it reaches an engineer. In summary, traditional RAG finds the most similar document, hands it to the model, and gets an answer. In agentic RAG, an agent decides where to look, which tool to pick, and loop until it's confident. And corrective RAG grades its own retrieval, also retries before a model ever sees a bad result. Hope this helps.